May God's name be glorified in the Word of God. There are many promises that God has given to us. Today, let us read one of them. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 5. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. This is a promise for us. Do not be afraid because God is with us. We are His children. He is our Father. In order to make us His children, He gave His life for us. He opened the way for us through His death. So He is telling us there is no need for you to be afraid because He is with us. In African forest, there is a bird in the pelican family. The bird will go far away places in order to give food for their children. They love their children so much. They tried their best to fetch food for their young ones. And if they do not get any food, then they, with their own beak, make hole in their own body and then give their blood to the children. The pelican birds are different from the other birds. With the blood of the mother, the young one survives. Their young ones have nothing to fear because they know there is their mother to help them. We are God's children. He brought us and saved us from the eternal hellfire with His own blood. So, dear sisters, there is no need for us to fear. He will with us and He will protect us, give us what we need. May God's name be glorified.